Hello everyone. Today we are learning how to restart or shut down the system with the help of Python. So in this program we using two modules to restart or shut down the system. So first module name is platform module. Basically platform module included the information about the platform in which the Python program has been run, and the platform contains the information about your device name, OS node version, etc. Second module we use is OS module. OS module help to interact with your operating system directly. Now we make a command variable in which we store the command which is given by the user. So input, enter the command S for shutdown and R for restart, which is entering by the user. Now using if statement, if command is equal to S, then we call the function as shutdown. Firstly we define the shutdown function using def keyword and the function name is shutdown. In this function firstly we check of our operating system, in which operating system our program we in which operating system we give the command to shut down the system. To check the operating system we use platform.system function, which display the string of operating system. If it is equal to Windows, then we give the command with the help of OS module os.system. Using system function, the command is directly execute on the operating system. The command is shutdown slash s stand for shutdown slash t stand for time is 0, means shut down immediately. And if operating system is Darwin or Linux, then we give the command is different. Darwin and Linux both follow same command to shut down or restart the system. So in Darwin we are also using os.system function and write a command to shut down using sudo shutdown. Now sudo sudo is a powerful command which is used in Darwin and Linux. Okay, it allow the permitted user to execute the command as the super user. If you do not use this keyword sudo, you will see an error or no output. So in Darwin and Linux we use sudo keyword. Now we make a function to restart the system and the function name is restart. So okay, same shutdown function we define restart. Firstly we check operating system. For Windows operating system, if platform.system is equal to Windows. For Windows we write a command which is directly execute on the operating system with the help of os module.system function. The command for restart is shutdown slash r slash t. R stand for restart, T stand for time. Time is immediate 0 second. And restart for Darwin or Linux operating systems. Or Linux is equal to Linux. Then OS using OS.system function sudo reboot. This command is used in Darwin or Linux to restart the system. And above, and now we, because command is a has store a string. If command is equal to r, then call the restart function. Now run this code. You can, I choose as, you can see that system promotes you for your password, because sudo keyword checks the authorized user can execute the command or not. Okay guys.